Hi everyone, welcome to Super Crafty Gal. Today we are unboxing the Leobro 16 color mica powder for epoxy resin. It was delivered from Amazon in a soft bubble wrap pack. As you can see, I just had to cut through the tape to get into the box. It was very well sealed. This set comes with 16 jars, each with a net weight of 10 grams or 0.35 ounces. I hope you don't mind. I went ahead and sped up me taking the jars out of the box. It seemed like it took me forever. The colors that came in this kit are really beautiful pearly colors. The colors are pearl white, lemon, tangerine, gold, bronze, coffee, silver gray, charcoal black. And then we have fuchsia, deep pink, ruby, dodger blue, royal blue, violet, lawn green, and dark green. Once I got them all out of the box, I decided to open one. I've never dealt with micas before, so I really didn't know what I would be looking at. I mean, I've seen it in videos, but never in person. It did prove a little bit of a challenge to get into. It's very well sealed. I learned a very valuable lesson too. Don't open them with your good pointy tweezers. I bent the whole tip. But once I got it open and was able to take a piece of paper and spread a little on it, they were actually very beautiful pearly colors. You can't see the shine on this paper. However, if you pay attention to my fingers, when I spread it around with my finger, you'll be able to see it reflecting a shine off of my fingertips. Let's see. Okay, well, that's about it. I just want to say thank y'all for joining us today. Please keep an eye out in the future for more crafting videos that will involve this product along with some other resin products. And for more unboxing videos. Have a great day.